We are pleased to show you the 2025 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: touring suspension, perimeter alarm, roof rack, body color door handles, front license plate bracket, Bluetooth, smart device integration, adaptive cruise control, trip computer, power rear window sunshade. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.